Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name's Joanne and this is To Crochet Curious. Hey guys, we did it! We did it together. We are over 500 subscribers on the channel. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much. That was my next goal was to have 500 subscribers, and so we are going to do a pretty good giveaway, and I will be posting that later today. I want you to know how much I appreciate you coming and spending time with me, and in light of that, I am working to provide you with better and better content, just things that I think might interest you. And it's good it's a 3-day weekend. I'll get a few things done this weekend. One of the things I did finish is the winter, let's see, Big Twist Winter. This is a new yarn, or you know what? I don't know that it's new yarn. I know it was on sale though, before Christmas. And so this is what it looks like when it's finished. And you can see the highlighting red, the highlighting, I think this is kind of a gray. My eyes have a hard time seeing this. And then there is green also. And what I did is, this is one skein, and here's the green. I just brought this together here to give it a nice neck warmer. I have a problem with a chilly neck, so putting this on my neck is very helpful. So I have one more skein of this, and I guess I'll have to make another one to give away, because I was going to give this one away, but after I saw what a good neck warmer it is, I decided to keep it. So I can make another one though. Now, let me give you a little detail on the Big Twist Winter. It is 100% premium acrylic, 223 yards, 3.5 ounces, 204 meters, and 100 grams. It's a number 4 weight, and 5 of them would make a scarf, 6 would make an adult sweater, 1 would make a hat, and 3 would make a hat and scarf. So, or 5 would make a shawl, maybe. I'm not sure what that picture is of. This is Cranberry Spritz, and it was manufactured July of this year, so I guess that is relatively new. What else? Made in Turkey. It's got washing info here, maybe. It is, wow, my eyes today, I can't see. I need my glasses. Try to be more prepared, sorry. Machine washable, low iron, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, dry clean, dry flat. So there you go, there you have it. And it takes a 6.5 millimeter hook. So it's a good good 4 weight. So again, there's the green and there's the red highlights. And there's the kind of gray, or maybe it's like a wintry blue. It's very hard for me to see this color, so I can't really tell what it is. It looks blue there on the phone. So maybe it's blue. Anyway, that is one of the colorways of winter yarn. And the other colorways are the green and the red, and there's a bluish, grayish one, a silvery one. So I think what they've done is taken all the colors and used them on all the other colors. So might want to mix and match them or something like that. I think that would make a very pretty Christmas stocking or something. Anyway, very exciting at my house last night when we topped 500. Special shout out to 3 of my friends. One is Michelle, the crocheting dog mom, and one is Heather from Strings and Threads, and the third one is Jacinda, and she used to have a channel and may have a channel again someday soon, I hope. She's my sister from another mister kind of gal. She and I get along really well. And the three of them helped me in their own special ways. Michelle and Heather shared my video saying I only had 17 to go. And Jacinda is just a great cheerleader. I appreciate you very much. So thank you, all three of you. You guys are wonderful. I am... oh, I got plans. But so today, it is Saturday. It is December 30th. So December 29th, 2023, I made 500 subscribers. And January 28th, I will be celebrating my 1-year podiversary. I've decided I'm going to do a live. I guess I'll get my daughter maybe to help me. She's not camera shy. And we will coordinate a live where we do live drawings during the live for giveaways. That way I can benefit a lot of people at once. So I will be scheduling that about halfway through January. So mark your calendars and you can come and spend some time with us and benefit from my huge yarn stash and all the goodies I collect. Because I am feeling generous, and I will be gifting a lot of things in January, so it's exciting. So we're gonna do I'll gather my things for the giveaway video and get that posted later today. And also this weekend I am planning on dyeing my cotton yarn. Very excited about that. I can't wait to see how that turns out. And I also have some wool coming that's on sale at Joann's right now, the Fisherman's Wool from Lion Brand. And I'm going to take a shot at coloring that as well. So it's exciting. I don't think this is something I would do all the time, but every once in a while it's cool. So anyway, I have lots of projects I'm working on. I'm rejoining Things We're Making Thursday. I am working on, oh, let me show you. I did finish the basket. So this is the basket that I made for my giveaway, and this is kind of, you can get a little idea of the size of it. It's holding 3 mandala ombres. Well, 2 for sure. So this is the beautiful basket that's going to be part of the giveaway. And it is made from, I have a band here somewhere. It is made from, okay, we'll just go with this. It is Premier Home Cotton XL, and I have it in oak and oak marl, which is what the basket is made out of. I also have it in rose and rose marl. So I'm going to be trying even bigger. I have a lot of this and the pink and the rose, several of the rose. So I think I'm going to try a really big basket. And one thing I did notice, and I know a lot of you complain about working with a big hook, but I did notice that when I started this, okay, and I'm using the biggest hook I own, and this is an S hook, and I started it, and it is sliding right through, and you know, the stitches are big enough. It's not overly tight, but I don't know. I'm gonna practice. I'm gonna go with this and see how it goes, and maybe I'll be able to tell people that using a really big hook on big yarn, bigger than you would expect, might be the way to go to not make it so hard to work with. So I will give this a try, and we'll check on it together and see what kind of basket it produces. Very exciting. Okay. I've also been visiting some other people's websites, looking at their free patterns, and because I have to collect patterns this year for things we're making Thursday and finding things to do. So I've been looking at all the things out there, and you guys, there's so much fun and beautiful content out there. So we'll be highlighting some designers as we go through some ideas, and I'll try to figure out a way to share these things with you, whether it's taking screenshots or I don't know. I have to think about that, how I can incorporate some of the things that I find into a video. Yeah, I'll work on that. But it's cool. I'm having fun, and I hope you are too. I'm so ready to turn the calendar over to 2024. And I don't know what this year is going to hold, but I do know that I'm going to make the best out of every day regardless. So I hope you will too. I mean, that is my one and only New Year's resolution. And I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Keep coming back, and we will grow the channel together. So, bye now.